Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Kung umaga nyo napapanood ang video natin na ito. At magandang gabi naman kung gabi nyo napapanood ang video natin na ito. Sinasabi, information can change the situation. Kaya sasabihin ko sa inyo, baka di nyo pa alam na nandito na sa lugar natin ang EIA or American Insurance Assurance, PhilAm dati. Ito yung may magandang product ng investment at life insurance. Pero ang pinakamagandang product na i-share ko ngayon sa video na ito ay ang EIA A+ Signature. Imagine a future where your legacy of love and security lives on, no matter what life brings. With EIA A+ Signature, you can ensure that your family's financial future is always bright. Ipagpatuloy ang iyong pagmamahal at pangangalaga sa iyong pamilya kahit na hindi ka na nila kasama sa pamamagitan ng EIA A+ Signature. EIA A+ Signature brought to you by American Insurance Assurance offers a plan that grows with you and your loved ones. Choose a piece amount value of 500,000 pesos or even 1 million pesos and pay comfortably over 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years. Ang EIA A+ Signature mula sa American Insurance Assurance ay nagbibigay sa iyo ng option na pumili ng piece amount value na 500,000 pesos o 1 million at bayaran ito ng komportable sa loob ng 5 taon, 10 taon o 20 taon. But it doesn't end there. Starting at the end of the 6th year, you'll receive 10% of your face amount value. And again, at the 8th year, 10th year, and every 2 years thereafter, until age 100. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Sa pagtatapos ng ika-6 na taon, magsisimula kang makatanggap ng 10% ng iyong face amount value. At muli sa ika-8 taon, ika-10 taon, at bawat 2 taon pagkatapos noon, hanggang sa edad na 100. Life is full of uncertainties, but with this plan, you can turn concerns into confidence. Should the unexpected happen and you pass away at 80, EIA makes sure your family is not only secure but thriving. Your beneficiary will receive 200% of your face amount value. Kung sakaling umabot ka sa edad na 80 at pumanaw, makakatanggap ang iyong beneficiary ng 200% ng iyong face amount value at patuloy na makatanggap ng natitirang 10% na payouts hanggang sa ikaw ay umabot sana ng edad na 100. And here's the best part. Those continuous 10% payouts you were receiving, your beneficiary will continue receiving them until what would been your 100th birthday. This ensures your loving touch extends across generations. Ang EIA+ Signature ay isang plano na hindi lamang para sa iyo, kundi para sa kinabukasan ng iyong mahal sa buhay. Siguraduhin ang kanilang kaligayahan at seguridad. Join countless others who have secured their family's future with EIA A+ Signature because protecting their tomorrow means sharing our today with wisdom and care. Kunin na ang EIA A+ Signature at gawin itong bahagi ng iyong legacy dahil ang tunay na pagmamahal ay walang hanggan. Secure their dreams today and always with EIA A+ signature. Siguraduhin ang kanilang mga pangarap ngayon at magpakailanman sa EIA A+ signature.